Do you need to use proxies with the Kameleo browser? I'll guide you through the process. Start by launching the Kameleo app and choosing New Profile. From the drop-down lists, select device type, operating system, browser, and language. Then choose a profile from the options below. Continue tweaking browser fingerprinting like time zone or geolocation. When you're done, it's time to get proxy details. With Kameleo, you can use any proxy type, but in this tutorial, I'll use residential proxies. Head to Smartproxy's dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies and select Residential. In the Authentication Method section, click on Create User. Type in the username of your choice and hit Create User again. The password will be generated for you. Now navigate to the endpoint generator. Here you can choose a preferred proxy user, location, session type, and output format. Below, you will find the generated endpoints. Go back to the Kameleo app and in the connection block choose your proxy protocol. Then paste your hostname and port. Click this toggle and enter your credentials in the respective fields. To check if proxies work, click on Test Proxy. You can see your stats in the pop-up window showing that our connection is successful. Now click OK to save the profile. Then choose Start to launch the browser window. That's all you need to add a proxy list to Kameleo. Want to start anonymous browsing right away? Get Smartproxy proxies today with the link in the description. For more helpful guides, visit our YouTube channel and documentation.